Fox News grills Tom Lee over his $25,000 Bitcoin prediction. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Daily News. Welcome to 4-Minute Crypto. Now today's show is from a post by Rick D at News BTC and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at this great Bitcoin conference that I'm putting on in Dallas, Texas at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to see you in Dallas, Texas. Now, Fundstrat Global Advisors co-founder Tom Lee appeared on Fox News last week to talk about traditional markets and cryptocurrency, of course. Anyone who keeps up to date with the Bitcoin price predictions made by the various cryptocurrency market participants will certainly know the name Tom Lee. He has been bullish about Bitcoin over the years and has stated many times that he expects the market to continue growing. Perhaps Lee's most famous Bitcoin price prediction was for the digital asset to reach a price of $25,000 by the end of 2018. He reasserted this a couple of times before dropping his target price to just over $20,000 by the year's end. Of course, neither of these prices came true. Lee was invited on Fox Business News to discuss why his optimism was misplaced and if he thought Bitcoin would one day reach or surpass his 2018 Bitcoin price prediction. First, he addressed the prediction itself by saying, "It's a huge disappointment." He then turned to why his bullishness had not been mirrored by the market. Then he attributed to the mania surrounding ICOs throughout 2017. Now, without acknowledging that it was probably that speculation that caused the 2017 Bitcoin all-time high in the first place, Lee stated that 2018 was a period of adjustment after a slew of flawed projects that had left investors out of pocket. "We thought Bitcoin would survive that, but it didn't," he said. "It got sold off with the rest of the market." Now the conversation then turned quickly to Lee's expectations of Bitcoin's future and whether it would ever reach $25,000. To this, the Fundstrat co-founder answered a categorically yes before reminding the presenter that Bitcoin had already experienced 4 pullbacks of more than 70% in its past before moving to the last all-time highs. He went on to comment on the ever-growing hunger for an asset class that was uncorrelated to traditional markets and entirely digital, and that is amongst the millennials and those living outside of the U.S. Finally, before the segment was over, that presenter jokingly accused Lee of making his Bitcoin price prediction solely to end up on TV, saying, "Tom, I think you've got a surefire way of getting on television. Make an outrageous claim, and then come on and talk about it." Now, I have to admit, I hope Tom is right. I really do. I would love to see Bitcoin start moving back up and get to $25,000. Let me know your thoughts on Twitter, where I'm at Gary Leland. And don't forget to subscribe to the 4-Minute Crypto Show for a new episode every weekday. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.